We got our hands on the Luxe Café Espresso machine from Ninja. We're going to show you guys how to do an extract on espresso shots and also how to do iced coffee. By the way, if you haven't subscribed, please do so now. Let's dive in and take a look at this. So one of the things that you want to make sure of on these baskets, there's actually 3 different sides. You want to make sure the larger side is lining up with the larger side of the portafilter and snap it down so that it's basically seamless sitting right on top. After that, we want to make sure that you start with the middle part first and you go over to what type of drink you're trying to make. Any espresso drinks from this side, you're generally using the double shot basket in here. Anything on the right, you're using the larger one. This has the ability to give you the options of single or double, quad, cold pressed. And then on this side, you can do just a classic coffee, rich coffee over ice or cold brew, which is really nice. It's the first machine I've seen that gives you the ability to actually pool cold brew or iced coffee. The other thing that's really interesting, so you do start here based on the drink that you select from the menu. It's going to give you the amount automatically of the grind beans that you require. And here it's already telling us that the current setting for the grind is 18 and it's recommending 17, but that's based on espresso. So if we change this, for example, to a quad, you can see that changed. I'll do that again so you guys can see. On espresso, it's telling us to go a little bit finer, but on quad, it's saying actually recommending that for it to be a little bit more coarse. And then if we go over to the other side, you see that this continuously changes. So if we go to classic, even coarser. 25, by the way, is the coarsest you can get, and 1 is the finest that you can get. Again, on all of these, you see that it's changing just a little bit to give you that perfect extraction every time, which is really interesting about this machine, how it's calibrating real time to give you the perfect, not to over extract, not to under extract. And so far, every time that we've tested this out, we find that the extraction is really precise. I think this is as good as it gets for being semi-manual. And I call it semi-manual because it's doing so much of the work for you. Let's go ahead and pull a quad, which is the basket that I have in here. And based on that, the recommendation is 20 on the grind. We currently have 18, so I'm gonna go ahead and turn the dial and get us to that 20. Also, this button here gives you the strength level. So that also plays a role into how much ground beans it's giving you. The ratio of water to ground beans changes on that. So usually we'll go with the middle. By the way, you do have the ability to set this up for, as far as the temperature of the water coming out, low, medium, or high heat. The high heat is really recommended only for lighter beans. Medium to dark roast, you want to go with the lower or medium temperature. Okay, so let's make it double espresso. And I showed this before. It's got a really nice storage compartment here. So we'll grab our basket. And again, make sure you're lining up the correct side and push that all the way down. And then we want to go ahead and go to espresso, which is already set here. We want to go back to the recommended, so a little bit finer than what we have right now. One other thing, it does tell you if you're low on water, which is really nice because you don't want to be putting the portafilter there and then all of a sudden realize halfway that you're low on water or out of water. So that's another nice feature. Make sure again that we have the funnel on to keep everything nice and neat here. And again, when you press this in, you'll feel it. It's a little click and it just kind of holds it in place. It automatically recognizes that it's in there. There is a scale in here, so it knows exactly how much grind to give you, and we'll start the grinding process. Perfect, so now we're gonna go ahead and it's telling you tamp now. So we'll pull this out, you can see the grind, and again, the tamper is on the side here, and it's got a little mechanism in here. Basically, it just goes down to this far. You wanna tamp it with the funnel on, and then go ahead and press that in. And we've got our tamping mat which you can see that video as well as to which one we ended up going with. And there it is. This snaps off. We'll snap this one back in. We're done with it. And then again, line up the orange dots, bring it over, and basically start your brew process, and that's it. That's it. Look at this crema here on top. That's amazing. And you get yourself espresso. I also want to show you guys the cake here. So basically, again, take that down and it comes right out. So just want to show you this. Based on the smart calibration on this, it's now telling us that based on what we just pulled, on the next one, it wants us to go even a little bit finer. So it just keeps fine tuning the first bit that you're using this. And this is a different grind that will be used, or different beans that we used yesterday. So it's calibrating to that. And we found that out from having used 3 to 4 different types of beans, that it continues that calibration. Probably after 5 or 6 times, it gets it almost dialed in perfectly. It's really good. We're gonna do a over ice coffee here, and make sure you got your funnel on. Snap that on. I've got the larger basket on here. Just want to make sure I got everything right. It says recommended 22, so we'll just dial that in. Start grind. On these ones, you don't want to tamp it down. You just want to kind of make sure it's even. Snap that off. Again, lining up the orange dots here. Turn. I'm doing a small 6 ounce just to kind of show you guys quickly how this works, and then start the brew process. This will show you also a better indication of the crema that this machine creates. So right now it's a little bit slower because it's actually calibrating from the previous shot that we pulled that was hot. This is going over ice. So it's actually cooling down the system, waiting for it before it fully extracts. So here's our over ice. You got your 6 ounce of iced coffee. Really, really good.